Yes, in this way your prize distribution ceremony has been found finished. I have to say, the students who got the prize will make their pace continuous. Otherwise, some other students are just one step behind you. So you should not be very satisfied that just this year you got the prize. It means you will be continued for further. Your prize may be broken. Just one student behind you is looking on your prize. You lose, another student will come to achieve your prize. And I have to say, those loser students who did not get their prize, they should not lose their courage, because you are one step behind the prize. One step, just a few inches before your prize. So, be industrious, be laborious, be perseverance. Your prize is now waiting. Your prize will be confirmed just after chasing your way of getting the prize. The student who got their prize, first, second and third, will not much more ahead you. You are just 1 inch before that, one step before that, and a little bit hard work can be burst your target. You can burst your target. You can get here your first prize, second prize and third prize. So don't be bothered about not getting your prize. Make the courage, make the excitation for getting the prize and demolishing the places that got earlier. So these types of movement should be fired into your heart. So after after getting little bit step, you can achieve your target. So between getting the prize and losing the prize, one step is that. And one step you will take the forward, you will achieve the target. Second thing, चर्चा में कर रहा था इस एग्जाम की. I think 4 or 5 papers have been finished, and you have did a lot in a nice way. But you should keep your journey very sound way for the further papers, and then after you can add another feather in your cap. This is the only twinkling star of your life. This twinkling star may raise you in the sky, and if you will not opt the exercise of previous, you will be minimized. So to become higher and to become lower, one step is the difference. So many more things is about to be said here among you, but I am looking here just to have passed your very valuable time of your revision. So you have got little bit tiring position. So I would like to release you to go into your respective classes. Thank you.
Ceremony has been successfully finished for the today. But keep patience, time to time we will organize this type of prize distribution ceremony next time in your future. But for that you will have to determine today. Lakshmi, I keep quiet. You have to determine today that आज आपको ये डिसाइड दृढ़ता के साथ करना पड़ेगा, that you will do better in your class, in all type of activity, just type of help in the future. आपको भविष्य में किसी प्रकार की एक्टिविटी स्कूल के द्वारा जब हेल्ड की जाए, जब ऑर्गेनाइज की जाए, आपको अपना बेस्ट से बेस्ट करना है, so that you may receive this type of unique reward in the future. तभी आप इस प्रकार के यूनिक टाइप के रिवॉर्ड को फ्यूचर में रिसीव कर पाएंगे. और you should never compare to this reward to any type of money. The value of this prize you should not compare, because this type of reward is for only to increase your courage, so that on the base of you can do better in your future. आप फ्यूचर में अच्छा करें, आपका उत्साह बढ़े, इसलिए इस प्रकार के रिवार्ड को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है आप लोगों के बीच में. सो आपको डिटरमाइंड आज ही से हो जाना है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम ये रिवार्ड, ये मेडल आपके गले में होगा अभी से. ये क्या नाम है इसका? क्लास keep presence, because I'm going to hand over to my sir, and essentially you have to listen whatsoever